Hourglass structure. In the recent years, information technology and communications have significantly altered the functioning of organizations. The role played by middle management is diminishing as the tasks performed by them are increasingly being replaced by technological tools. Hourglass organization structure consists of 3 layers with a constricted middle layer. According to this paragraph, one of the biggest reasons behind the hourglass structure is the rapid growth of information technology and communication systems. Earlier, middle managers acted as a bridge between top management and employees. They collected information from the lower levels, prepared reports, supervised work, and communicated decisions. However, today's technology can perform many of these activities much faster. ERP software, cloud computing, video conferencing, AI, and management information systems allow top management to directly access real-time information without depending heavily on middle managers. As a result, the middle layer of management has become much smaller, giving rise to the hourglass structure, which has 3 levels: a broad top management, a narrow middle management, and a broad lower level. The structure has a short and narrow middle management level. Information technology links the top and bottom levels in the organization, taking away many tasks that are performed by the middle-level managers. A shrunken middle layer coordinates diverse lower-level activities. According to this paragraph, the defining feature of the hourglass structure is its very small middle management layer. Instead of information passing through several managers, technology directly connects top management with employees at the operational level. For example, a CEO can view live sales reports, production data, inventory levels, and customer feedback through dashboards without waiting for a middle manager to prepare reports. This reduces delays and speeds up decision-making. However, the middle layer does not disappear completely. The remaining managers mainly coordinate different teams, resolve operational issues, and ensure smooth communication between various departments. Contrary to traditional middle-level managers, who are often specialists, the managers in the hourglass structure are generalists and perform wide variety of tasks. They would be handling cross-functional issues emanating such as those from marketing, finance, or production. According to this paragraph, the role of middle managers also changes significantly. In a traditional organization, a middle manager usually specializes in one department, such as marketing, finance, or production. But in an hourglass structure, the reduced number of managers means each manager must handle multiple functions instead of just one. These managers become generalists, meaning they possess knowledge of different business areas. For example, one manager may simultaneously coordinate marketing campaigns, production schedules, and financial budgets. Since they work across departments, they are also responsible for solving cross-functional problems and ensuring different teams work together effectively. Understanding the figure, hourglass organization structure. According to this figure, the organization resembles the shape of an hourglass. The top is wide because it represents senior management responsible for strategic planning and major business decisions. The middle is narrow because only a limited number of middle managers remain after technology replaces many traditional supervisory roles. The bottom is again wide because it consists of a large number of operational employees who actually perform the organization's day-to-day activities. The figure clearly shows that technology has reduced the need for multiple layers of middle management while maintaining strong coordination between the top and operational levels. Hourglass structure has obvious benefit of reduced costs. It also helps in enhancing responsiveness by simplifying decision-making. Decision-making authority is shifted close to the source of information so that it is faster. According to this paragraph, the Hourglass structure offers two major advantages. First, reducing the number of middle managers lowers salary and administrative expenses, thereby reducing organizational costs. Second, decision-making becomes much faster because authority is moved closer to the employees who actually perform the work. Instead of information traveling through multiple managerial levels before reaching top management, decisions can be taken immediately where the information originates. This improves responsiveness, allowing organizations to react more quickly to customer demands and market changes. However, with the reduced size of middle management, the promotion opportunities for the lower levels diminish significantly. Continuity at same level may bring monotony and lack of interest, and it becomes difficult to keep the motivation levels high. Organizations try to overcome these problems by assigning challenging tasks, transferring laterally, and having a system of proper rewards for performance. According to this paragraph, the Hourglass structure also has certain disadvantages. Since there are fewer middle management positions, employees working at lower levels have fewer promotion opportunities. Many employees may continue working at the same level for several years, leading to boredom, reduced motivation, and loss of interest in their jobs. To overcome this problem, organizations focus on non-promotional methods of motivation. They assign challenging projects, rotate employees across different departments through lateral transfers, provide opportunities to learn new skills, and introduce attractive reward and recognition systems. This helps employees remain motivated even when promotions are limited.